Hello guys, today I will show you how you can make louder your LG Q70. So at the start we have to open the settings, then go to the sound and tap on the sound quality and effects. Now just open the equalizer and choose the loudest one. Now click OK and that's it. But if that way is not enough for you, you can also try to download this app. This is a volume booster. There is the name of the app. Now click 3 times no thank you and close the window. Now just click OK, and how you can see by this little slider you can increase and decrease the volume speaker booster. If you want to turn it off, just click on the stop service and OK, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.